Hi friends, it's raining out and it's cold and it's gray, but we're still gonna go outside. So there's a couple things to think about before we go outside. As I said, it's cold and it's rainy. So I have my warm hat, I have my waterproof gloves, I have my warm waterproof jacket. I did put on a pair of waterproof sweatpants and my rain boots that are also warm. So I think that this will keep me comfortable enough to go outside in this weather, because remember, there's no inappropriate weather, there's only inappropriate clothing. So if we put on proper clothes for the weather, we are gonna have a good time. Before we go outside, the first thing I did was put a laundry basket with a rag towel by my back door. The reason I did that is when I come inside, I am going to be wet and hopefully muddy because I'm going to be outside for a while. So when I come inside, so I don't make a mess in my house for someone else to clean up, I'm going to walk through the back door, take off my boots, wipe them down with a rag towel, and then throw all of my wet clothes into the laundry basket and take it right to the laundry room. Puddles are fun to splash. Found a huge pine tree to sit under, and I'm really not getting rained on that much. See how the branches swoop down? And they're protecting me from the rain. It's kind of like a big nature's umbrella. Find a pine tree. See if you feel the rain when you're sitting underneath the pine tree. You can look up at the tree branches and look for the raindrops that are caught on the branches. Maybe wait and see if they're going to fall down. But also, you get rain in your eyes when you do this. It's kind of fun. You can find a big jar inside your house, your garage, basement, and bring it out onto a patio, someplace outside, obviously, where the rain is. And after a few hours, take a tape measure or a ruler and put it down in and see how much rain we've gotten. Excellent, 2.5 inches. That's gonna be good for our garden next month. It's so squishy. You can feel how squishy it is. You can actually even hear how squishy it is. Here we come. First thing I'm gonna do is sit down, take off my gloves, all my wet gloves, my hat, my jacket. My feet are still on the back rug by the back door. Muddy. Whoop, lost a sock too. Okay, lost that other sock. Putting them on so my feet aren't cold. Oh, I also put a pair of inside shoes right there, right by the back door, so they're ready for me. Okay. This is a rag towel. This is from our box called Rag Towels. Don't get a towel out of your parents' linen closet. You will not be happy. There. This one. And then I'm going to take the whole thing to the laundry room.